2010 Accord oil change for you, bud. Got a lovely saggy splash shield. Very nice. Brand new oil pan, not sure why. And we're just gonna take that off. And we're gonna need a new washer on you, bud. Bare hands. Nope. Bare tool. And we're just gonna take this off right here like this. Very nice. Done with that. New oil filter for your butt. Little sample right up on that O-ring. And on you go. And yeah! That's tight. Little double flip. Can't miss. Just can't miss. I've tried, but can't miss. In you go. Let's see the breakaway torque real quick, shall we? Set her to 30 foot-pounds. And let's see what we got here. Yeah, 18.8. Now let's retighten to 30. And let's loosen it again. 22. So that's what? 4 foot-pounds under? Seems pretty good to me. Alright. Little razzmatazz and we're done. Mint. What do we got? 520. Right about there. In you go. Pivot. Cappuccino. Mint. Simba. %. Show me how much you got. A little above half. We like that. A little wipe down for you, bud. Very nice.